This is the real reason Brazilian trucks sit so much higher off the ground than typical trucks. It might look like a fashion statement or a busted suspension, but there's actually a practical explanation behind it, and it's pretty wild. First, if you want a full week of blessing, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and drop "God provides" in the comments before this video ends. These trucks are hauling valuable goods, and thieves have been known to hop onto slow-moving vehicles to swipe cargo right off them. By lifting the truck bed up to around 2 meters, it becomes significantly more difficult for anyone to climb on while the truck is in motion.